12 noon on this Thursday afternoon, September 12th, 2013. Time now for the Whatever the Magician with PJ Wiggins. The Noontime Report, Thursday, September 12th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Our current conditions at 12 noontime in Norton, Massachusetts. 80 degrees at a temperature with a humidity of 71%. Wind speed south 12 gusts and 21 miles per hour. Barometer 29.87 inches. 2.78 degrees. Visibly 8 miles at a heated index of 83 degrees.
Vicious beating death of a Bronx administrator.
Okay, let us take a look at our radar, and it shows
Possible severe storms when they'll strike.
a couple of bob of rain showers and storms in northwestern Connecticut down to southern Massachusetts, and a couple of bob of rain showers and storms from northwestern Massachusetts stretching to southeastern Vermont, down through New Hampshire, down through Maine here, and down in northern Maine, and another batch of rain showers in extreme northern Maine and New Brunswick, stretching down into the southern Quebec, east of Montreal, down to northeastern Vermont and northern Vermont, down through northern upstate New York, down to central New York, down to western New York, down through northwestern Pennsylvania, down to eastern and central and western Ohio, and down through Indianapolis, down to southern Indiana and Illinois, and down into Missouri. And this is part of a cold front that's going to bring some cool weather, but at a price comes to severe storms. And batches of rain showers in northern Quebec and eastern Ontario. And another batches of rain showers in northern Mexico down to western Texas, down through New Mexico, down to northern Texas, down to western Oklahoma, down through central and western Kansas, down for Colorado, and central Wyoming, down through northern Idaho, down into west central Utah. That's where Colorado, they've been having some flooding rains around Boulder. So I hope those people in Colorado are prepared.
There's a lot of pieces to the puzzle.
And then the batch of rain showers northeastern Ontario and western Quebec. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite open. It shows.
Police say several tips came in, originally taking
it shows a couple of batches of rain showers in northern New England, down through Atlantic, Quebec, stretching out into western New York and Pennsylvania, stretching through Ohio and Indiana, southern Illinois, down for Missouri, down for Kansas, curving down in eastern New Mexico, down to western Texas with the clouds. And the cloud stretches all the way through Colorado, down to Utah, then in eastern Nevada, and eastern California, and down through eastern Oregon, down for Idaho, down for Wyoming, and western Nebraska, and western South Dakota, down for western Iowa. Another batch of the clouds covering east northern Canada and stretching into the Ontario, Quebec, and eastern Manitoba, down up in the Yukons and northeastern Saskatchewan.
For them tonight, the team will battle the Jets.
Okay, let's take a look at our
We've also learned the Jets
tropics.
quarterback Mark Sanchez
Invest
will not play
93L movement, 15 miles per hour at 29 degrees, wind speed 35 miles per hour.
shoulder injury.
Invest 90 movement, 5 miles per hour, 295 degrees, wind speed 30 miles per hour. Okay, tropical storm Gabrielle movement,
Coverage starts tonight.
8 miles per hour, 350 degrees, wind speed 40 miles per hour, gusts to 50 miles per hour, pressure 1008 millibars.
For you.
And Hurricane Humberto movement, 50 miles per hour at 36 degrees, wind speed 85, gusts to 105, and pressure 92 millibars.
We've actually already started to see some activity to the north and west. Still some hazy sunshine right along the coast.
And Humberto's going to be a hurricane. It's going to become a tropical storm Friday night. And Gabrielle's going to go off the coast and brings a few rough seas and currents to the coastal waters in New England
Lightning strikes as well.
around Friday.
From here off to the west, this is going to run into the warm.
Scattered thunderstorms will continue through early afternoon showers and thunderstorms over northern Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire will continue to be developed.
Here is in this yellow.
And moving to northeast over the next 7 hours, the storms will remain with air at higher moisture noted at 7 mile per hour dew points. And still looks like the bulk of the strongest storms between 5 and 10 p.m.
Evening hours, those storms are going to be pushing toward Gillette Stadium in Foxborough, and notice here by about 10 o'clock.
Day 1 today and tonight, this afternoon, that has its weather outlook. A few strong to severe thunderstorms are possible across interior southern New England. The primary time of concerns between 5 and 10 p.m. this evening. The main threats will be demonstrating straight
And take into the weekend.
line
Bianca. All right, Cindy, thank you.
wind gusts with a secondary concern of hail. The main complex of showers and thunderstorms will probably not arrive onto the coastal plain until late this evening. By then, any storms will probably remain below severe limits, but can't rule out a storm with gusty winds. In addition, locally heavy rainfall will likely result in poor drainage, street flooding. There will also be the potential for a localized flash flood event if thunderstorms can train over a specific region. And days 2 to 7 on Friday for Wednesday, no hazardous weather expected this time.
Why?
Elite 7-day forecast goes like this. This afternoon, partly sunny skies, high 6 degrees, up with about 9 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 28 miles per hour. Tonight, chance of showers and thunderstorms, then showers and possibly a thunderstorm after 11 p.m. Some storms produce heavy rain, patchy fog after 10 p.m. Low around 65 degrees, up with about 69 miles per hour. Chance precipitation 90%. New rainfall amounts between a half and 3/4 inch possible. For Friday, showers likely and possibly a thunderstorm before 10 a.m. then showers between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. chances. Some storms could produce heavy rain, patchy fog before 11 a.m. or bars. Friday skies then gradually becoming mostly sunny skies high near 75 degrees. Northwest wind about 7 to 13 miles per hour with gusts as high as 23 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. New rainfall amounts between 10 to 1/4 inch amounts possible thunderstorms. Friday night, part clouds skies low 50 degrees. Northwest wind 68 miles per hour. Saturday, most night skies high near 68 degrees. Northwest wind 68 miles per hour. Saturday night, most clear skies low 45 degrees. Sunday, sunny skies high near 71 degrees. Sunday night, part clouds skies low 52 degrees. Monday, most sunny skies high near 78 degrees. Monday night, part clouds skies low 44 degrees. Tuesday, sunny skies high near 66 degrees. Tuesday night, most clear skies low 46 degrees. And Wednesday, sunny skies high near 72 degrees. Peter's weather phrase of the afternoon. Showers and storms could be on tap for this evening. This is BJ Wiggins. I hope you have a good day and a good evening with a good positive attitude and a good day. Bye-bye for now. Here.